Guys, welcome back. It's time to make some cocktails, but let me first introduce my first bar buddy on the show, and he's a buddy from a long time, right? None other than Richard Atkins, Esquire. So buddy, welcome to the show, and how is everything?
Well, everything is fine, but also congrats to you. I mean, this is a major development, particularly for the bar industry. I mean, they had us locked down for a little while, but it's nice to know that we're back, we're in full swing, and we have a whole show to show off how we do we thing, you know what I mean?
Inviting everybody here, all the bar buddies, come and take a drink, you know?
Yeah.
Buddy, thanks for being here, right? So, before you came, I was making a little syrup in preparation of a cocktail, right? I know you're coming, right? So, you could see the elements around, right? We dealing with Stoli Vodka, definitely.
Some cucumber, seen a basil plant, yeah.
Right? So you don't know where we're going. We're going on a vodka, cucumber, and basil Collins.
I like that.
Right? So let me start, and I'm gonna be adding to our mixing glass.
You really had a measure, is it? Do your thing.
Well, point noted, you know. And as I say, this is all for everybody to come and share and enjoy some drinks, right? So I have the vodka. 2 ounces is good, right? If you want more, you're gonna let me know. I'll top you up.
Probably off camera. We'll drink ourselves into a stupor.
So this is the syrup actually, and it's cucumber basil infused.
That's smelling real good. You get the cucumber, you get the basil. I can't wait to see how all these elements like come together with the story, because I mean, the vodka is like neutral ground.
Anybody who know a classic, a tall, refreshing Collins is one. All right. I know you like citrus. I love citrus too. So we add in this citrus to the cocktail. And guys, citrus is the sour element to a cocktail. So it balances the sweetness of the syrup that we just made, right? And we go in here with 2 ounces.
They're shaping up. I mean, if I was one of them real annoying guests, you know, I'd be like, if it's so simple, why are you taking so long?
If it's so
Come on. I mean, it's like, yeah, come on.
We know them guests.
Yeah.
Have you had any interaction with some of those guests recently by chance though? I don't know, it's cool.
Not so much on it. Because I mean, we create an atmosphere where you'd love to come. You want to see us in action. Theater style. So what usually happens is that you don't get this gruntled guest, you get this.
All right, so I'm prepping your glass and I'm prepping my glass one time. All right.
You get me feel the mixer thing and all too, eh? You know?
Yeah, of course.
I up the road, I had my way down and I see, you know what, drink as much water as possible, you know, you just get high fast. You know what I mean? So I came on the set and requested a bottle of water like immediately.
Seriously?
Yeah. But you know me, buddy.
Any water? Are you seeing any water?
No, you don't have to see the water. You just had to know that I already started to control how I go in and consume.
Well, I like that.
You understand? Because you know I'm wild sometimes. I just lose my mind if I drink too fast and too hard. Now,
Part of what I'm trying to let people know as well, practice responsible drinking. We're having real fun, but it's our duty to make sure people, you know, control and have a limit to what they're doing. Right?
Yeah, like that. The measurements I look responsibly correct now.
Responsible.
Yes. I like it.
So, I have some soda water here. And I'm just going to be topping up.
Yes. It's a really important ingredient too, you know. See, the nice thing with soda, right? You get these nice little bubbles and the effervescence just kind of bring everything to life. So it hits your palate and you get the natural profiles that you already put into the drink. And the little effervescence that you get with the soda does bring everything to life. It does pop in your mouth. So with every little pop you get with them bubbles, it's like a little release of that flavor. It adds to the a little bit to the intensity that you could get with it now, dependent on the nature of the bubbles. But you not see you did something with a soda siphon, you create your own soda. I know how you just do your thing.
Yeah.
So it's real nice to have that kind of balance, that kind of control. Because now you have finer bubbles or larger bubbles, and it actually plays a very integral part.
Correct.
Particularly with Collins, you need to get that nice little bit of effervescence. And that cucumber will bring all the cucumber flavors a lot more as well.
So that's the idea, you know, you're actually getting some of this fresh cucumber, infusing in it. So cucumber itself is a refreshing ingredient. Lime is a refreshing ingredient. Soda is a refreshing ingredient, right? And where I was going with this is to cool down any kind of meal that you're having, maybe a spicy meal. This is a perfect drink, right? Yeah.
Some days just be a little too warm, so a nice little cucumber basil Collins, yeah. But it's probably because I like overproof now, so I just be heated a lot.
Yeah, I know.
Not in heat, but
No, I know when you're drinking how it is go. Celebrate your birthday the other day, I call you.
but I sound normal on the phone.
Alright, so I'm going to switch it up a little bit, buddy. And I just want to add some slices to the top here.
Your copyright as yet?
Not yet.
To be surprised if you see it copyright with my name on it. Oh gosh.
So I'll open it up a little bit, right? Might get you a little trouble, but that's fine. We're going down into the drink. Nice.
See why people just be taking pictures now and videos.
So opening up this side. It's cucumber, so you know, depending on the firmness of the cucumber, it will stay well.
Now, but I understand because the thin slices you do, you know, will make it a little bit complex. But the fact that you're taking your time to put everything together with such detail is what I really appreciate about the entire thing.
Pick up a little basil, you know? Slap it to wake it up.
Slap it off. That is what you have to do.
I know you're impartial to colors. Right, so hey, thanks for being here, buddy.
Thanks for having me, buddy. Boy.
We sip to this.
Yes, boy.
I have something for you to do after this, eh?
Partner.
It's good, boy.
That is amazing, man.
So we're getting the fresh element of the cucumber and the basil, because that was my focus.
Yeah. The balance is amazing. You know, I focus a lot on the balance and the structure of drinks, right? And the balance is amazing. Now, the exact way I put it together, I would not even go to stir. So I'm not even going to try to stir it because I appreciate the art form. So I would sip and then let it gently drift into the bubbles and get a totally different experience. So it moved from 1 dimension to 2, 3 dimensions sometimes. And I love these kind of.
So that's the idea. We sipping something and we drinking, right?
I really like this.
So guys, I just want to remind you, we created this cocktail with Stoli Vodka. And I used the original, but we actually have a whole range that we could actually choose from and make a variation to this cocktail. And if I had to make a variation, Richie, it personally would be either strawberry, because strawberry and basil is a nice, amazing combination. Yeah. Maybe another citrus, which is orange, right? Blueberry, for who like blueberries. We have a salted caramel. I wouldn't recommend it. They're more creamy kind of style cocktails, yeah? What we have in the back here? We have a raspberry, that could work, and vanilla, yeah, right? So, I really want to thank the guys at Stoli for making this amazing